Okay, so the next project is OCR. Again, this is not it's not in the native language, right? So it's OCR in the Russian language. So this is how the platform is. You will log in and just come down to computer vision 2D. It's taking a bit of time. We'll just okay. And from there we'll go to project. Okay, so this doesn't have any task as it. I'll just play the training video. Okay. Let me know if okay, I just share the sound as well.
Our OCR training recording. This is basically a QC project where most of the work which is already done, you already have the image and it's boxed and it's also transcribed. So you just have to look at it one by one and confirm if the text written inside matches with the one transcribed below. Okay, so I'm first going to quickly give you an overview of what this platform is and how it looks like. So in the middle, you have the image, which you have to transcribe. You can zoom in and zoom out the image using your mouse scroll or your trackpad. Ideally, you should be using a mouse. Don't use a laptop's trackpad because it makes it a little bit slow. You have these plus minus buttons over here as well to make it zoom in and zoom out. And then you can use the Alt key. Once you press the Alt key and press the mouse button and move your mouse, you can adjust the image. It makes it easy to move around the image. On the left side, you have these numbered list, which is basically boxes, which you can see over here on the image, one by one. Okay. And yes, that's pretty much it. And once you click on a box, you can see the text which is written inside as well. So your main task is to basically zoom in and then match the text. So we'll start on this task from the first box in the list. Okay. Going one by one on the list, it makes it much faster and easier. I'm going to time myself as well to see how much time it takes. All right. So let's start. Now we have to be very careful because this is right now Russian language. So we need to make sure that the capitalizations are correct, right? Over here, this is capitalized, over here should be capitalized as well. Then here. Okay, correct. 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 Now over here, we can see the first mistake which we found, and that is this H over here. And the text is capitalized, but over here, it's a small letter, right? You can see that very clearly. Now, how to solve that problem? You need to type it. Now, even though you have this character in English as well, but you should have an on-screen Russian keyboard, like I have over here. To get it, it's very easy. Click on More Keyboards and click on Add Language, write Russian, and choose this one, okay, which does not have any bracket for any other parts of the Russian-speaking countries. Use this one. It's the most standard one. Okay, once you click on it, it will install. Okay, and now once you can search for on-screen keyboard, and when you will choose Russian, it will give you the Russian language. Now you can see I want to write down the small h. Okay, let's see why it's not letting me choose Russian as a language. Okay. And once you choose Russian as a language, turn on your on-screen keyboard. Okay, now I have the Russian language. Now you can find where is that H. Here's the H. By default, it's the small letters. So I'll delete this one and see now it's a small letter. I'll minimize it and go to the next one. The same way, please confirm if the capitalizations can be wrong at times.
Okay, so I think you would have like a better idea what the project is about. So sometimes the whole box is empty. So we're just trying to increase the per box so rate, right? So it's the payment is per box. So we're just trying to increase the rate. So that's why this project was on pause, but we are again starting it. And those who are interested, they can just message me.